Hi, I'm Hayley, and today I'm going to be talking about how you can keep yourself feeling fresh and hydrated so you can enjoy your summer feeling your best. Water and general hydration is integral to how our minds and bodies are feeling and functioning. On average, people should be drinking around 2 litres or 8 glasses of water a day. And research has found even mild dehydration may affect our mood and ability to focus. Being hydrated can not only improve the appearance of skin, it can also promote better concentration, boost your mood, maintain energy levels, and alleviate headaches. Natural spring water contains natural minerals such as calcium and iron that are vital for your body's growth and maintaining your skin's optimum moisture levels. By drinking water, it helps to keep the skin moist and flush any toxins away, leaving your skin looking smooth and glowing. There are habits we can introduce to our routines that make hydration part of our daily practice. For instance, you can purchase a BPA-free water bottle with markings on the side that incentivizes you to hit hourly targets to keep up your liquid intake. However, if you're bored of plain water, there are plenty of ways to get your daily water intake. Did you know that as much as 20% of your liquid should come from food? Foods such as strawberries, watermelons, and spinach all contain 90 to 99% water. Many people typically drink alcohol, tea, or coffee, but these diuretics can make us feel we need to go to the toilet more often, meaning our body is losing more water. So try reducing your consumption of these liquids to make sure you're staying hydrated to keep on top form. The sun's ultraviolet light can cause major damage to the skin. The sun's rays play a role in increasing the aging process by drying the skin of its natural oils, leading to rapid dehydration. The skin can be left feeling dry, itchy, and perhaps dull looking, while the overall complexion may appear uneven and fine lines appearing more noticeable. If you're prone to purchasing endless amounts of topical creams that promise to halt the aging process, stop to think beforehand if you're keeping sufficiently hydrated. In a lot of cases, drinking adequate amounts of water can actually provide you with the soft, supple skin you are looking for. More commonly known, too much exposure to the sun can lead to visible reddening and burning of the skin, which can lead to more serious health conditions later on in life. For this reason, it is vital that you wear products with a 5-star UVA and UVB rating and a high SPF content, such as sunscreen or sun-protecting moisturizers, to ensure you're safe in all scenarios. To avoid dehydration in the summer, remember to drink plenty of fluids, especially on hot days. Drinks don't have to be plain. You can have juices, smoothies, herbal teas, fruit-infused waters, and even certain foods with a high water content such as watermelons. Taking frequent cool baths or showers can help alleviate potential sunburns, cooling down the skin and adding a boost of moisture to the body. If your skin is feeling dry, it's best to use a moisturizer to ensure your skin is as hydrated as possible. It can also help to use an ointment or cream, as they can be more effective and less irritating than a lotion. Similarly, perfumes and fragrances can possibly be irritating your skin without knowing, so try opting for gentle, fragrance-free items or products that include natural ingredients. With the temperatures increasing in summer, it's important to remember the environment we surround ourselves in too. So having a humidifier in the room can help add moisture to the air so it's less dry and stuffy. Hyaluronic acid occurs naturally in the body, and it's the key to keeping skin plump and hydrated. To boost your levels, use a hyaluronic serum before your moisturizer. It also fights fine lines and wrinkles and helps offset sun damage, which can leave skin looking dull, dry, and uneven. Hot water can strip moisture from your skin and does no favours for your hair, whereas a cold water blast boosts your circulation and lymph flow, removing toxins and helping skin glow all over. Cold water is also known to naturally tighten pores, preventing them from getting clogged and reducing redness in the meantime. Face mists are often an overlooked part of the beauty regime, yet they add essential moisture to tighten the skin. The mists contain not just water, but additional ingredients that retain moisture as well as softening and soothing properties. If you get burnt from the sun, aloe vera has soothing properties that can alleviate the skin by cooling the skin's surface once drying. Thank you for listening. If you want more tips and tricks about wellness and well-being, head to the Holland Barrett Health Hub or check out some more of our videos.